All right, friends, for this video, you're going to need a pencil, a blue highlighter or a marker if you have one. If not, you can do it when you get to class. You'll need your chart from your red folder that goes home, then your notebook and your regular chart. So go get all that real quick. All right, so real quick, we're going to start with this chart and our pencil because for this video, we're going to be talking about customary weight. So that's down here. We're going to have ounces, pounds, and tons. So go ahead and underline those real quick, and then we're going to write it out to the side. All right, so here's what I meant by writing it out to the side. These are going to be covered in customary weight. Now, I know capacity kind of goes over, but remember, customary capacity, when it's talking about ounces, it's talking about fluid ounces because it's talking about liquid, so fluid ounces. So you should have customary length at the top, customary capacity in the middle, then customary weight. Then you can put that back in your red folder and let's get our other stuff real quick. All right, on my chart, I'm going to go where it says mass and weight, weight and mass. And I'm paying attention to the customary side because that's what we're still learning, customary units, which are the ones used in the US. And I'm going to highlight in blue that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Holy cow, that's a lot. And then that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So highlight those and then we can set this aside. Then you're going to get your notebook and number the next two sheets, 114, 115. 114 is going to be customary weight chart. That's where we're going to put our chart to the side. And then 115 is going to be customary weight. So go ahead and make sure you have all that done. So pause real quick. All right, so weight is the measurement of how heavy an object is in units. And when we start doing our metric unit, we're going to talk about its mass. So in parentheses, I'm just going to write, this is the metric word. We're going to focus on the customary word, which is weight. So if you go over 2 pages to customary capacity, the word volume is going to be our metric word. Capacity is going to be our customary word. So that, and there we go. All right, make sure you have that, and then I'm going to write our units for us to copy. All right, so I'm sure you could guess from when we highlighted that the ones we're going to be using are ounces, pounds, and tons. So the abbreviation for ounces we kind of already know is OZ from when we did our fluid ounces. Pounds is really weird. It's LBS. It's one of the only ones that does not look like the word. And then tons is a capital T. And it's capital because it's so big and heavy. Once in a while, you might see a lowercase t, but it's usually a capital T. And then I'll write my conversions down here, even though they're on my chart, but this way I have them in my notebook also. We said 1 pound was 16 ounces. And then we said 1 ton was 2,000 pounds. That's heavy. All right, so make sure you have that. Then we're going to come to 114 and turn it sideways, and we're going to put them in order from the lightest to heaviest. So I drew my arrow, and I'm going from lighter to heavier. So I know that ounces are going to be lighter, pounds are going to be in the middle, and tons is going to be the heavier. So write that down real quick. All right, so for ounces, the abbreviation is OZ. And some examples might be a slice of bread or like a key, like for your house or your door. So copy that down real quick. All right, for pounds, that would be like the loaf of bread, the whole entire package of bread. Or a kitten. A kitten is something that you would measure in pounds. So ounce is a slice of bread, just one piece of bread, whereas the whole entire thing would be pounds. All right, so tons, which is a capital T, that's the biggest or one that you use for the heaviest items, would be the bread truck, the truck that delivers the bread to the stores. Or an elephant. Elephants are very heavy. So go ahead and make sure you have everything on page 114, everything on page 115. Then you can put your chart on this page. Fill out your table of contents because we haven't done that in a while. I'm on page 93. I'm going to be here for a while. And then bring it all ready for class on Friday. Have a great night. See you tomorrow.